Pwede na po siya.
Kasi,
Yes po.
baka mabago yung damdamin ko sa'yo, ah. Ang sinasabi ko, hindi na didinig ng buong bayan. Are you willing to avail of that? And we will be helping you. Remember, when I told you, over the phone, we will help you. Just cooperate. Be truthful. Be honest. You are a Pilipina. Di ba? Maaring hindi ikaw may kasalanan. Katulad ng tinext mo sa akin, ayaw mong maipit sa mga nag-uumpog ang malalaking batong yan. You tell us. Samahan mo kami. Tandaan mo, lahat ng mga tao nakapaligid sa'yo, ha? Merong mga sariling interest yan. You think about yourself, you think about your own interest. Yung mga nakapaligid sa'yo, may sariling interest. We want to help you. Honestly, when you texted me, na sinabi mo sa akin, na may nag-uumpugang malaking bato, I really don't want to answer back. You know why? I want you to reveal that in here. But if you cannot reveal it right away, you talk to us. Tayo-tayo lang. Lalabas tayo rito. Pupunta tayo sa likod. Pag-usapan natin. Pero tumulong ka sa amin, tumulong ka sa bayan. Nakita mo yung mga taong namatay. Di ba? So you can save yourself. Please. Please. Kapag pinabayaan mong ganito, sagot ka ng sagot ng ganyan, ikaw madidiyan dito. This can be used against you. I'm telling you. You're not answering rightly. Oh. Kaya, tulungan mo yung sarili mo. If you want to avail an executive session without anybody behind you or surrounds you, tayo lang, kami lang. You want?
Hello po mga ka-viral, welcome back ulit sa aking YouTube channel. Cassandra Leong, nakuha na ang loob ni Congressman Dan Fernandez. Booking na ang ugnayan sa pagitan ni Cassandra Leong at Congressman Dan Fernandez. Ito'y pagkatapos isiniwalat ni Congressman Fernandez na pribadong nag-uusap sila ni Cassandra Leong. Bakit nakikipag-chat si Cassie Ong kay Fernandez at ano ang kanilang pinag-uusapan? Nahalata ng mga netizens ang pagnanais ni Congressman Fernandez na tulungan si Cassandra Ong para hindi maipit sa masalimot niyang sitwasyon. Kaya naman, hinimok nito si Cassandra Ong na sabihin sa kanya ang lahat ng nalalaman at handa di umano siyang tulungan ito. Subalit, ang abogado naman nito na si Attorney Ferdinand Topacio ay panay buntot at bulong sa kanyang kliyente na halatang minamanmanan at kinokontrol ang bawat sasabihin ni Cassandra Leong. Kaya naman sa ginawa ni Attorney Topacio ay napikon ang mga congressmen na bahagi ng Quad Committee at winarningan si Attorney Ferdinand Topacio na huwag diktahan si Cassandra Leong na magpahayag ng kanyang statements sa hearing. Narito ang matinding na diskubre ng Kamara kay Cassandra Leong na isa sa mga incorporators ng Lucky South 99 na Pogo.
Don't be afraid. Huwag ka matakot. Basta makikooperate ka lang sa kongresong ito. We will not be adverse sa'yo.
Pakiulit po.
For the last time, I will not speak anymore after.
Cassandra, can you reply to what the query of this representation?
Pakiulit po.
Yeah, sige, go ahead.
Pakiulit.
Sige, go ahead.
Pakiulit po.
Ha?
Pakiulit po.
Pareho rin.
Pakiulit.
Pakiulit. Will you confirm that you were with Altenco during that time with Attorney Harry Roque and you paid those amount that he mentioned?
Yes po.
Yun. Thank you so much. And those two cash deposit slip, November and September 15, 2023, in the amount of $100,000 and $200,000, you also transmitted this amount.
Yes po.
Ayan. Thank you. Alam mo, makikikooperate naman talaga si Cassie eh. Ang problem lang, the people around, that's the problem that we are encountering. And basically, Cassandra, you are also the beneficial owner of the Whirlwind Corporation. Am I right?
Wordwill lang po.
Yes, Whirlwind. You are the beneficial owner. And you have like 58% doon sa Whirlwind. So kanina, going back again doon sa sinasabi namin that merong malalaking tao na nakapaligid sa... You want to have an executive session with that? Para at
I'm
least...
still thinking pa po.
Ha?
I'm still thinking pa po.
You're still thinking?
Yes po. Thank
Okay.
you.
Sige, punta na lang tayo dun sa Mr. Chairman. Kasi meron dito mga incorporators, sila yung bagong mga directors, mga opisyales ng Lucky South 99 Outsourcing. We were not able to ask them in the last hearing. Andiyan sila Julian Linsangan, sila Chan, and sila Ong. Sinasabi nyo na that identity theft yung sa inyo. Di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
At sinasabi nyo that si Cassandra Ong nakausap nyo through Viber video. Am I right?
We don't know the apps that used by the Dan de la Cruz,
Sige.
Your Honor.
O sige. Well, the chairman have whispered sa akin that I have to wrap up. But this is very important, no? Yung sa tatlong iyon. Kasi yung tatlo bang yun, kilala mo? Yung tatlong incorporators na yan? Can you kindly stand up, Julian? Kilala mo ba, Kasi?
Hindi po. Pero...
Pamilyar?
Naka-video call ko yata.
Naka-video call mo sila?
I think one time through Dan.
And you were trying to tell us, no, you can sit down. Julian, ano ka legal researcher ka pala, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Legal officer ka rin ng Mighty Corporation.
Before, Your Honor.
Yes, and legal consultant ka din ng Legendary Fireworks.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So in other words, you are all qualified to be a official of this corporation. Last question. Sige, last question na ako. I'll be asking you about the itong tinatawag nating kay Marion Ryan Ong Chua. Meron ka bang pinurchase na manager's check in the
Wala
amount
po,
of
Mr.
2.6
Chair.
million?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado ka, ha?
Yes po, Your Honor.
You're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
At pag napatunayan namin that you did, in the next hearing, we'll be citing you in contempt as well. Ha? And si Julian Linsangan, may alam ka ba sa Yes to Health Incorporated?
Pardon, Your Honor.
Yes to Health Incorporated.
No, Your Honor.
Wala kang alam.
Wala po.
Sa Puting Kahoy, Silang Cavite. Ha?
No, Your Honor.
Na kung saan nakapag-issue ka ng check amounting to 16.7 million. You are under oath. Tanda mo yan, Julian.
No,
You are under oath. 16.7 million. Huwag kang magsisinungaling sa kongresong ito and we will be citing you in contempt. Believe me.
Your Honor, I will check the transaction.
This is
order.
16.7 million. Ang laki nito para makalimutan mo. Meron ba
Ang natatanda ko po 16 million.
sa iyong
Your
asawa,
Honor.
kay Rachel Ann, Linsangan? Yes or no?
Your Honor, ang natatanda ko po sa transaction na yan, meron pong nabentang property na ako yung authorized representative, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. I'm telling you, 16.7 million.
Yes, Your Honor. Yun po yung...
Ito ang sinasabi mo, benta ng lupa.
Yes, Your Honor.
Submit to us the deed of sale
Yes, Your Honor.
pertaining to that. Ano?
Yes,
Ha?
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, sino ang katransaction mo sa 16.7 million? Anong lupa? Saan?
Yun po sa...
Saan?
Yung sa binanggit niyo pong lugar, Your Honor, Puting
Saan
Kahoy.
lugar? Puting Kahoy. Gano'ng kalaki? Ilang square meter?
2,500 square meter, Your Honor.
2,500 square meter, 16 points. How much per square meter?
It's 7,000, Your Honor.
7,000? Saang area yan?
Doon po sa Puting Kahoy, Your Honor.
Saan nga sa Puting Kahoy? Anong barangay?
Hindi ko po matandaan. But
Alam
I
natin
will,
ang assessment ng lupa dyan. Saan? Sa Silang.
I will submit the document, Your Honor.
Ang dami mong lupa.
No, Your Honor. That's
Para
not-
hindi mo malaman yung bentahang yon. You
Your
tell
Honor-
me, honestly, may bentahan ng lupa? Wala.
Meron, Your Honor. Representative lang po ako, Your Honor.
Representative ka lang. O so paano ka nag-transfer ng 16.7 million
No, Your
dito
Honor,
sa
hindi-
Y2?
hindi
Y,
po-
yes to health.
Hindi po transfer, Your Honor.
Manager's check.
Wala pong yes to help akong alam, Your Honor. Pero meron akong alam na nabentang lupa, Your Honor.
Anong sinasabi mo restaurant? Wala akong sinasabing restaurant.
Yung yes to help, Your Honor.
So paano mo nalamang restaurant siya?
No, Your Honor.
I did
No,
not
no,
even
no, no.
I did not even mention that it is a restaurant. How did you know that it is a restaurant?
No, Your Honor, I said...
How did you know that it is a restaurant? I didn't even mention it.
I said yes. You said yes, Your
Sabi
Honor.
ko, yes to health. Paano mo nalaman restaurant?
No, wala po binabanggit na restaurant, Your Honor.
Oh, yes to health. Okay. All right. Submit to us.
Yes,
the
Your Honor.
documents.
I will submit
Ha?
the documents, Your Honor.
Deed of sale.
Yes, Your Honor.
Amounting to
All
16.7
documents, Your Honor. I
million.
will submit
Thank you so
all the
much.
documents. Yes.
Mr. Chairman, I
Thank you.
be yielding back. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Congressman Fernandez. The next to interpolate is Congresswoman Jinky Luistro.
Mr. Chair, may I request for the presence of Ms. Cassandra Ong?
I think she just went to the comfort room. In the meantime, if you wish to direct questions to any of our resource persons, you may do so.
My questions, Mr. Chair, are pertaining to her, although the same will be addressed to the other resource speakers. I want her to witness how these people are testifying about her participation and connection to all these companies.
So we'll give her 1 minute. So while waiting for Miss Cassie Ong, ako may tanong lang ako kay you're the executive assistant of Mr. Attorney Harry Roque, Mr. De La Serna.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ilang taon ka naging executive assistant ni Attorney Harry Roque?
I was an executive assistant to the Office of the Presidential Spokesperson from January of 2021 to November 15 of 2021 po, Mr. Chair.
So, 2020 to 2021? Tama ba yung pagkatinig?
Mali po, Your Honor. Mr. Chair, January of 2021 until November 15 of 2021 po.
So, January 2021 up to November of 2021. Wala pang isang taon.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Did you apply for that position? Anong position mo sa office ni spokesman Attorney Harry Roque?
I was an executive assistant to the Office of the Presidential Spokesperson po, Mr. Chair.
And what do you exactly do in the office of Attorney Harry Roque?
Nag-start po ako as social media. Ako po yung nag-handle ng SOCMED po ni Attorney Roque po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, yung bang item na executive assistant ay item under the office of the spokesperson?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So, anong salary grade niyan?
I'm not sure if it is salary grade 17 or 20 po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige, salamat. Yung bang last hearing, sinasabi ni Attorney Harry Roque that you being his executive assistant, ikaw ang mga kasama niya sa travels. Kasi nga is diabetic ba? Tama ba ako doon?
Ang dami niya pong sakit, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And nurse ka ba?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Meron ka bang background sa medicine?
No po, Mr. Chair.
Ilan kayo executive assistant sa office ni Attorney Harry Roque?
Alam ko po, madami po siyang staff po, but the EA post is until EA 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 po.
And you are EA?
EA 3 po ako, Mr. Chair.
EA 3?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, yung EA 1, EA 2, sinasama rin ba ni Attorney Harry Roque sa travels abroad?
E8, based on my knowledge, Mr. Chair, yung nakabiyahe lang po na EA is EA3, ako po yun, EA2, and the EA5 po.
Okay,
EA4 din po pala, Mr. Chair.
EA 1, 2, 3, and 4.
No po, Mr. Chair. 2, 3, 4, 5 po, Mr. Chair.
2, 3, 4, and 5. EA, ang daming EA pala, no? Nung office ng spokesperson.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, and your job description ay you handle the social media of the spokesperson as well as his travel companion. Kasama ba yon sa job description mo?
Nung nag-start po kasi ako kay Sir Harry po, Mr. Chair, there was no post in Malacanang. That's why I first handled this social media po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Salamat sa sagot mo. Alam mo rin ba na it seems kasi na you're very, very close to Attorney Harry Roque, tama?
Yes po, Mr.
Can you
Chair.
say that among all the executive assistants, ikaw ang closest to Attorney Harry Roque?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Is that the reason kung bakit ginawa ka niyang incorporator sa isang kumpanya niya?
Mr. Chair, to my knowledge on that po, Mr. Chair, it was Attorney Val po na nagpa-sign po sa akin that time kasi kailangan na po nila ng magko-complete po sa corporation po nila.
Sige. Sige, we will ask you questions again later. Now that Ms. Cassie Ong is here, I now recognize Congresswoman Luistro.
Mr. Chair, I wish to invite the attention of Cassie Ong
Cassie,
as I propound questions to the other resource speakers. Ms. Baterna, do you know Ms. Cassandra L. Ong?
Yes po, Madam Chair.
Kilala mo si Cassandra Leong.
Yes po, Madam Chair.
Bakit mo siya kilala?
Parang siya po yung boss ko po, Mr. Chair.
Siya ang boss mo.
Yes po, Madam
And as
Chair.
your boss, anong mga orders ang ibinigay niya sa'yo at sinunod mo?
Aside from signing documents po, Madam Chair.
What else, Ms. Baterna? Ano pa ang mga iniuutos sa'yo ni Cassandra Ong bilang boss mo?
Documents po, tsaka po sa cheque po.
Documents and checks. Na kaninong pangalan yung mga cheque?
Meron po akong nakapangalan sa akin, Madam Chair.
And what do you do with those checks which are in your name? Anong ginagawa mo doon sa mga checking nasa pangalan mo?
Minsan po nag-uutos po siya, halimbawa, mag-issue ka ng, halimbawa po, 10 pieces worth of like 15,000, ganun po. Tapos sinusulat ko po.
In other words, Ms. Baterna, ikaw ay taga-issue at taga-perma lamang. Tama ba?
Tama po, Madam Chair.
Pagkaka-issue at pagkaka-perma mo, ibinibigay mo na kay Cassandra Ong at si Cassandra Ong na ang bahala kung anong gagamitin niya sa cheque. Tama ba?
Yes po, Madam Chair.
I remember you committed last time to execute a waiver para sa iyong bank accounts. You're giving the committee the authority to see all information about your bank accounts. Do you confirm?
Yes po, Madam Chair.
Have you executed that waiver, Ms. Baterna?
Yes po.
May we know from the COMSEC if we have requested information already from the banks?
COMSEC?
Your Honors, Mr. Chair, just this morning, the witness took the oath, and so we have not yet asked the details from the bank. It was just this morning that her waiver was notarized by the public attorney.
And with that waiver, Ms. Baterna, we will be able to find out, tama ba? Sino ang pinagbigyan, binayaran ng mga cheque ni Cassandra Ong, tama?
Tama po, Madam Chair.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Baterna. May I proceed to Ms. Mascareñas? Ms. Mascareñas, do you know Cassandra Leong?
Yes po.
Why do you know her?
Kasama ko po siya sa office.
Who is she in your office? Boss
Translator
mo
po.
ba siya o
Hindi
ikaw
po.
ang boss niya?
Parang same lang na kami ng position.
Parehas lang kayo. So what does she do in your office?
Nung una po kasi, nung na-interview muna siya, doon ko siya first time na nakita. Tapos hanggang sa pumasok na siya, although di ko na po matandaan kung kailan, pero most definitely nauna po ako sa kanya. Tapos, ang alam ko, parang personal translator siya ni Mr. Wu. Tapos lagi siyang kasama sa mga meetings. Tapos, until such time na siya na rin po yung nagipag-deal sa lahat ng mga kung sinong dapat kausapin. And yung mga papers, kinuha na rin po niya before ako tanggalin nung December.
Let's discuss it one by one, Ms. Mascareñas.
Okay po.
You first mentioned personal translator. Tama?
Yes po. Yun po yung alam ko.
Second is?
Yung pong kasama siya palagi ng boss.
Constant